Hello everyone, this is Ruby and welcome back to my channel, Red Explorer Stone. So guys, today we will explore the Cologne Weihnachtsmarkt or Cologne Christmas market here in Germany. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy watching.
Back in time, all of our neighbors' twinkling lights, all of our youthful eyes so bright. We'd never seen the sky so wide. And I just want that winter feeling, very merry, happy holiday. Close your eyes, I wish it never goes away. All of our loved ones, and no one without one. Very to you, and cinnamon heaven fills the air. I want the biggest cup to share. Somebody's playing Nat King Cole. Mama is hanging mistletoe, and we just want that winter feeling, very merry, happy holiday. So happy, so happy. Close your eyes and wish it never goes is young and the sky is clear. Gather round, it's that time of year when everybody's celebrating Hanukkah. A tale we will soon unfold of courage, light, and a miracle. Come on, let's celebrate Hanukkah. A little bit of oil, a little bit light, to last us 8 days and 8 nights. A little bit of joy, a little bit of hope. Our flame is burning, let it show. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's the festival of lights. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's a celebration of lights. We join together and sing the songs of battles won and spirit strong. We celebrate the story of Hanukkah. Dreidels are spinning, Gimel Shinun. Hey, don't let the locusts burn. Come on, let's celebrate Hanukkah. A little bit of oil, a little bit light, to last us 8 days and 8 nights. A little bit of joy, a little bit of hope. Our flame is burning, let it show. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's the festival of lights. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, light the candles on the menorah. Hanukkah, Hanukkah, it's a celebration of lights. Through the darkness of the night, we are shining bright. Let our courage be our pride. Through the darkness of the night, we are shining bright. Let our courage be our pride.
And so guys, so that's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to leave comments, like, and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and do click the notification bell all so that you will be notified if I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video, and let's explore the world together. Bye!